Hi, welcome to Early British Literature. I'm your professor, Kate Sanchez, and I'm excited to go on this journey with you this semester. This class is wondrous and difficult at the same time. We will be reading things starting from the 700s to the 1700s. So we will cover the very first things written in what we consider to be the English language through 1,000 years of development. Now that is a lot. Very few literature courses cover that breadth of time. So that's exciting about this course. What makes it difficult at the same time is we literally cannot read Old English. So the things that we'll read towards the beginning of the semester, we have to read in translation to understand them. And we also have to understand the cultural influences and aspirations of the writers of those time, which is so far away from where we are now. So I'm excited to go on this journey with you, and I hope that you will embrace the challenge alongside the joy of discovering the history of our language and the writing in English and all that went into it in terms of the cultural considerations, as well as some of the voices that have been left out. Right? British literature, especially early British literature, is mostly composed of white male voices. So we also have to think about the composition of Britain and the voices that were left out, as well as Britain's relationship to the rest of the world during this time, which was a time of colonialism. So we're going to take into consideration all of this during the semester as we learn and grow together. And I just ask that you give it your open mind and your open heart, and you do your best to enjoy everything we do this semester. And reach out to me if you have any questions or if you need some help. See you online.